Hi, in front of me I have Huawei Nova 5T and I'm gonna show you how to change the keyboard language on this device. First we need to open the settings, and to do that let's just tap this icon right here. Once in settings, let's scroll down and tap on the system. Here let's select language and input. And now, right here, let's check which keyboard is default one. As you can see, it says SwiftKey keyboard. So let's tap on the SwiftKey keyboard below, right here. And now let's tap on languages. And here, let's tap on all languages to open the list of the languages. And now we can select one from the list. For example, let's select this one. And below you can you can choose the layout, but for this keyboard there's only one. And once you're done, tap the check mark to confirm. Now if you scroll up, you have two languages. You can turn off one to make the other one the default one, but we're just gonna leave them both on. And I'm gonna show you how to change the language on the keyboard quickly. So let's open something we can write in, for example, here. And you can switch the languages quite quickly by just touching and holding on a spacebar and then swiping left or right like this. And let's select English like that and select this language like this. It's quite easy. And that should be all. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.